One of the biggest things about coming to stuff like this is you get so overwhelmed about what you don't know and a sense of like lack of confidence that I just don't know what to do.
I know.
But what you've got here is just like really you're shining a light into here's the direction you go, explore this, and it's just I'm just so inspired because
I can't tell you what this means to me.
Yeah.
Thank you so much because between all of that work, I really wanted to inspire at least a few people.
You definitely inspired me.
Really, really appreciate it.
I just feel like I want to have a home which, like with my renovation, where I can sink into, and it's a sanctuary.
Yeah.
It's a sanctuary of peace.
Yeah.
And then you just connected to me. It's like that's why we like going away to luxury resorts and stuff because they've done all the research. It's not accidental.
It's not.
And it's just like ding. Okay. You just connected the dots on that, and it's like, oh, how do we bring that luxury resort feeling into our home? And so you're sort of like going like Hansel and Gretel. Here are the stones to follow. Just go down Biophilic Design, like what we all innately know but haven't connected that this is what it is. So thank you
so much. Thank you.
That means so
much.
nice.
I hope you're going to connect and
I'd love to connect. My name's Beryl.
Beryl, yeah.
So I'd love to sort of work out, because we're at the beginning stages of like renovating our house, and you're when you're not a designer and you're just a normal everyday person, it feels so overwhelming. What goes with what goes with what goes with what. But when you've got Biophilic Design as like here's the only thing you need to know, and everything sort of works around it becomes such a not just a formula but your sort of your central star, your North Star.
Yes.
Yeah. So
that's exactly what I
yeah.
Right.
So I'm like,
Thank you.
it's so nice.